The use of cover crops. Again, like I said, if we can put some radishes in, something like that, or even the buckwheat and the weed or the roots from the buckwheat, they go down, they create voids, and if we leave them in there and leave those roots in there over the wintertime, those voids are going to remain. You don't have to go out and pull your plants out every fall, roots and all. Cut the tops off, let the roots decay. They're going to be there to feed the biologicals that are in the garden, and they're also going to provide and create those void structures that we need too. And so, other things that we can do, broad fork that garden. We're not going to go in and deep till it because we're going to destroy all of the channels and the pathways and the highways that our biologicals have created. But if we broad fork, or we just go down and we rock the soil back, we're just loosening it up a little bit. We're not destroying those pathways.